Just bread, tomato, and a few other ingredients for this fantastic dish. Bon appétit! The base of the whole dish is a good sauté with some extra virgin olive oil and some thinly sliced garlic. Then we'll add in the tomato puree. This dish can be made in any season, so you can use puree, pulp, or peeled tomatoes, but you can also make it with fresh tomatoes in summer. Salt the sauce well and let it cook over low heat with the lid on for a good half hour. And now our sauce is ready. I can turn off the heat and work on the main character of our PAPPA al pomodoro, the bread. This is a dish to use up leftovers, so it is made with ordinary bread, whatever you have at home, in this case a simple loaf of white bread. Of course, in Tuscany, this bread is often sciocco, meaning it is unsalted. This is day-old bread, so it is not so fresh anymore, but still quite soft. You can also use stale bread that is several days old, and in that case, you may need more water. Before adding your bread to the sauce, thin out the sauce a bit with some water. Given the consistency of our slices, we can tear them in half and submerge them into the sauce like this. With staler bread, I recommend tearing them into smaller pieces. You use all of the bread, even the crusty end slices, ripping those into pieces a little bit smaller. And let it rest with the lid on for about a quarter of an hour. After this time has passed, the bread will have become well soaked in the sauce. Now adjust the consistency with more water. Obviously, if you have vegetable broth available, you can also use that. With a wooden spoon, mash it well, so that all the bread has crumbled. Then, turn on the stove again and cook it for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring well, until the perfect consistency has been reached. Here it is. It is wet and crumbly. It just needs some final touches. Adjust the salt. A healthy drizzle of olive oil, and many beautiful basil leaves. Our PAPPA al pomodoro is ready and can be enjoyed warm, lukewarm, or even cold. My favorite way is lukewarm with a sprinkle of cheese. Complete each plate with a drizzle of olive oil and the must-have final touch for every Tuscan dish, even more basil leaves. Now we can finally taste it. This dish really brings back memories for me. Bon appétit!